Hi, I'm Issi Macartney and I'm HT Media Group's Marketing Manager. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the difference between SEO and PPC. Search engine optimization revolves around targeting organic traffic to your website through search engines such as Google or Bing. There are three main processes to this: on-page, off-page and technical. SEO is a long-term digital strategy and is highly successful in targeting your desired customers whilst they're in the buying process. SEO targets unpaid traffic rather than direct or paid traffic. Drive-through traffic to your website? Did you know that 70 to 80% of people click on organic searches rather than paid ads? Target high-quality traffic to your website, resulting in hot leads. Rank above your competition? Capture your target audience in the buying process? Promote better cost management for your digital strategy. Pay-per-click advertising is a form of paid advertising used to drive targeted traffic to your website. Pay-per-click advertising is a form of paid advertising used to target your desired target audience whilst they're in the buying process. You will bid on specific search terms and keywords to get your website ranking on Google and in front of your audience. Do you want fast results? PPC drives quick results to your website. A good PPC ad will be relevant, attractive and directional. Drive instant traffic to your website. Drive warm leads to your business. PPC ads don't depend on the algorithm changes. PPC ads offer multi-layered targeting options, getting you in front of your desired audience. PPC ads are shown directly at the top of search engines above organic search results. If you're looking for quick results, PPC ads will give you targeted traffic and high quality leads. SEO is a long-term plan and will get your website ranking for specific search terms relevant to your business. Even though the process is longer, with SEO, over time you will start to see a high volume of traffic coming to your website, driving targeted leads to your business.